Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Vermontville Weather Updates with Evan. I am your host, Evan, and we're going to talk a bit about the storm that happened just now. It is currently June 25th in the year 2023, and we just overcame a very major storm system through the parts of lower Michigan into down into Indiana, Illinois, through Illinois, Chicago, and going into Ohio. The storm's not over yet, however, the areas of lower Michigan have gratefully made it through the storm. Now, I have heard there's a lot of power lines down. If you look on this map right here, all of the blue are power outages. And so if I click on those, it's a total of 5,381 customers here. And yeah, so there's just a ton of places that are without power right now due to the storm. I am lucky enough to have power, so I'm able to post videos and update you through this. So we had down branches, objects thrown through yards, reported trees down, power lines down, multiple power outages, animals dead, small animals. Minimize traffic as everybody's trying to stay off the roads, and a lot of loss of wildlife habitats. I have a couple pictures I'll try and get of a tree down in a road, which was pretty interesting. However, my phone's dead, so I won't be able to do that. I'll post it on the channel. It was a pretty intense storm, to say the least. I would say that it could have gotten way worse than it did. We're going to take a look at the aftermath here and where this storm system is going to be headed. So let's load some more stuff up here. So the storm system moved through here, and it was kind of an arc. Yeah, so arc. And so that, if you look on here, moved here, and it was just kind of going through like this, except it wasn't just here, it was all the way down the map. As you can see, it's not over for a lot of places. There's still people who are under tornado warnings in their basements, so send prayers to them. Fortunately, the storm system near me has concluded and is moved out of the vicinity. And it looks pretty good. There is a bit of post-rain still. It is sprinkling out. It's still kind of dark, but then again, that is expected. Quite a few power outages, especially near me, as you can see here. So we've got a lot of power outages. That's what these are, the blue. And so the storm really did take out a lot of power. So it looks like it's going to be the areas of Vermontville, Nashville, pretty much all of Hastings into Orangeville, Middleville, Caledonia, Lake Odessa, Clarksville, Grand Rapids, East Grand Rapids. A lot of these places are all under no power. White Cloud all the way up to Lilly, Baldwin, Peacock, up to Boone. So this is reaching all the way up to the tips of Michigan. We've got Halton here, Harrison, Farewell, Carson City, Lansing is in the good. I got lucky, as you can see. I got quite lucky there. Yeah, that's the power outages. Now, it's not exact, but I'd say it's still pretty close. So, looking at the outages and what the storm did was pretty crazy. I do have a video that I'll also be posting on the channel of the storm. You could actually see it coming through the field of our house. And you could see it coming towards us. Like, big wall of rain just coming towards us. I will also post the picture and the videos of the trees blowing and raining insanely hard and the trees almost toppling over. Yes. Alright, so looking at this here, apologies, the map is being weird. Alright, it's just not going to be in full screen. So, the storm system has moved. It is now over in the areas of Comsa, Alton, Milan, going into Lambertville, Toledo, South Monroe, also going up into Detroit. Unfortunately, we did not see any tornadoes. You can say fortunately and unfortunately. There is still a severe thunderstorm warning here for Battle Creek. And, well, there's not too much happening in Michigan. So, I do suppose this was just kind of a rewind to what happened here. And, yeah, so I got a few pictures of, like, down trees and stuff. So, I'll be sure to post that. But, thank you all for making your way through this. I hope I helped. If I didn't, oh well, at least I made videos during it. Be sure to help out the channel. Maybe give it a like. Maybe even subscribe if you're in the areas where you need this kind of updates. And if you want to go on the weather service and do it yourself and don't want to be subscribed to another YouTube channel, it's not up to me. I will continue to make these videos when there are severe storms, and I truly do hope that you all did enjoy the coverage through the storm. Thank you all again for watching and supporting this. I know the last video was a lot of radar due to the threat of tornadoes. I was up working to get emergency stuff ready to go in case there was a tornado warning issued. There was a major tornado watch and a chance that a tornado could hit, so I did have to get off and take stuff down. However, I did continue. I wrote up a whole thing on the description of the last video. So if you go look at the description of the last video I posted before this, then you'll see a little bit of backstory. But yeah, thank you all, and I really do hope you enjoy the coverage, and I will continue to make videos like this, even if you don't subscribe, even if you don't like. Really just watching it is what counts. So, thank you all once more, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you all.